Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for coming out tonight. My name is Dave O'Hara from Crackles, Inc. We are currently testing for 2 different demographics on these 2 commercials tonight. I'd like you to fill out your surveys, which are located under your seats. Sit back with an open mind and enjoy the 2 commercials. Thank you.
Wow, that's a big Tootsie Roll. Big Tootsie Roll smell like grandma.
Berry Crackles, part of a nutritious breakfast, may cause hallucinations.
Breakfast elves! Elves after me! Elves after me!
Know what we need, man? We need some crackberries, man. Crackberries.
I love that shit. We need to get some right now.
Crackberries. Crackberries. You know, there's this guy I know.
What's his name? Let's get him.
I don't know. He's got the crackberries.
I want to make a candy sandwich.
Yeah. You know, I got a banana in my pants. It'd be good for the sandwich. We need the crackberries, though.
Are we in the right place?
I've seen him here before. I think it was last week.
He should be here already. He's here.
That's him. That's him. You get the stuff, man?
What do you got?
I got this tree.
The tree? Get the tree, the stick? No. We got the TV, man. You want the TV?
You can do a TV.
TV?
Let's do it.
Give us the stuff.
TV first, in the back.
Okay, give us the stuff.
Hey, come on, you crackhead. Tree in the back, too. Come on. Put it in.
It's my pet tree.
Give him the tree.
Okay.
This is what you want? This is what you want? This is what you want right here?
Juicy and weedy, 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 weedy. We get juice from juicy, 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 juicy. And
flying!
weedy, weedy, weedy,
We're
weedy,
flying!
weedy.
It's so free!
Love between juice, orange, pineapple, and grapefruit. Cinderella, I drink sauce.
I had so many crackberries.
And the Irish man.
Oh man, I don't feel so good.
Let me drink Stagger Pan.
No.
Let me drink sour
No. Oh man.
Holy shit! Hi, I'm Crackles, the breakfast cereal box. My first love was a toilet seat. Yay! Yay! Yay!
Drinking and you don't wanna get up.